Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Push Health app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Push Health is a telehealth platform that connects patients with licensed medical providers for treatments, prescriptions, lab testing, and medical advice. Everything happens securely through the app or website, without needing to visit a clinic. It supports services like birth control, travel medications, COVID testing, and refills, depending on provider availability. Users can choose their provider, ask questions, and receive care, all from the comfort of home. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is generally appreciated for its convenience and simple process. Users like the fast response time from providers, clear communication, and how easy it is to manage prescriptions or lab work. It works well for people with busy schedules or limited local care options. The interface is minimal but functional, making navigation straightforward even for new users. Still, it's not without flaws. Some users report difficulty finding available providers in certain states, while others experience occasional delays in response or appointment acceptance. Pricing transparency can vary by provider, and Push Health is not always covered by insurance, which could be a drawback for some users. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Push Health is a great option for those seeking flexible, on-demand healthcare without the hassle of waiting rooms. It's reliable, secure, and ideal for common treatments or medical consultations. Just make sure to check provider availability in your area before relying on it fully. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.